If your listing is getting views but not action, this video is for you. Your listings look attractive with professional photos, clean staging, solid price. So why is no one clicking, saving, or booking a showing? In 2026, buyers don't tour homes the way they used to. They scroll first and then judge within seconds. And they ignore listings that don't earn trust immediately. Most listings are built to impress the seller, not guide the buyer. If your listing doesn't answer unspoken questions, it gets skipped. Here are some reasons why people skip your listing. Reason number 1. Your pricing feels defensive. Overpricing doesn't just reduce interest, it signals uncertainty. If your price doesn't align with data, buyers assume there's room to wait. Reason number 2. You're selling features, not confidence. Listings that feel too polished but vague create friction. Trust beats perfection every time. Reason number 3. Your first impression isn't digital enough. Your buyer may never step inside until they're already emotionally sold. Descriptions, photos, data must explain why this home works. The listings that win in 2026 do 3 things well: price with intention, communicate honestly, guide buyers, instead of selling to them. That's how interest turns into offers, faster. At Sell to Dwell, we don't just market homes, we position them using buyer behavior data, market timing insights, digital-first listing strategies. If your listing looks great but feels invisible, connect with us before making a decision. Subscribe for more such insights.